The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. I said, morning. Anybody will get that video. Isn't it? Yo, I know. I'm frustrated, isn't it? I'm frustrated bad. I said, everything with me try, just a feel. So I want to meet, so come on. I'm there. I'm a reading all that on my feel. Isn't it? The get to our there's an issue. There's a different word now, there's a bomber issue again. What's up? So what? What kind of crime me want commit in a life to make them things here reach me, so come on. You see right now in the street and most people just start rob people. God knows. You see me? Yo, me have it hard in my life, you know. You see me? And me a try. You see me? Like me not try, me a try. You see me? Me don't want to do the wrong thing. You see me? Me a try to do the right thing all the while. You see me? But it's hard. You see me? When you even understand, it's hard for me. You see me? Me a try my best to stay up on the right path. I will do it right. And everything me try I feel. Everything. You see me? Me say so now, man. Me tell right. You see me? Me tell right. Everything me try I feel. Yes, me know me do wrong things in my life, but come on, man. You see me tell right now. You see me? Everything me try to feel. You see me? Me tongue by my face, my day. You see me? I can't run to my mother and my father and say, yo, help me. You see me? Me tell like this now, man. And I'm there, me people just start rob down a bag of people, youth. You see me? Some people don't even understand it. Them just see me and just see, say, oh, boy, they are bad boy and thing. You see me? They wouldn't understand the hurt of me I go through, that's the youth. You see me? I'm tired of this no man, brother. I don't feel me can't bear it no more. I feel as if me I'm mad, youth. You see me? I feel as if me I'm mad out right now. You see me? I'm tired right now, man. You see me? I'm just there, me I say, yo, when you even understand it, brother. You see me? I just really frustrated with myself. You see me? Like me I say, yo, why? You see me? Every time I get a start, something happen. You see me? Yo, when you even understand right now, you know, people just even know. Yo, hear me out, you see me? Anybody get that video? Don't just pray for me. You see me? I can't be a big you. Just pray for me, car. And it gives me moment on the kind of say, you one thing is to the path. You see me? I'm tired. You see me? Then I run up and down, you see me? Anything will happen, you see me? I know me in the street and you know, I'm not feeling safe. You see me? Yo, I must have big one. Don't just pray. That's all I can. You see me?
Viewers and subscribers, the person who you see in that video that I just presented to you said some things in that video that gave me the understanding that him have ambition, he's frustrated, and he wants better for his life. I want to say to the person shown in that video that I just presented to you that he should not turn to crime and violence because certain things might have happened in his life. Don't rob anyone. Don't hurt anyone. Work for what you want. Keep on trying to make your life better because one day it will get better. People, keep him in your prayers. Alright? Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about some things that she said happened between her and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. In my point of view, the female talked about a confrontation that she said happened between her and police officers within the country of Jamaica. In my point of view, the female was angry when she made this video because she was yelling and she used some harsh language in this video as well. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the things that the female said. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Tell me if this right. Me just a left out of my house and I drive my car and police are drive behind me. Me never pay attention and see say police they behind my car. Right? Anyways now, them pull up to the side of my car and a pipe gun in my bumper clad car. A pipe gun in my car. When they point the gun in my car, them tell me to get out. A bully me, a bully me, a bully me. Them a go tell me also them here's a red car in a shooting. Red car in a shooting and also them want to search me car. Me say, okay then fine. Search me car. You want to see the man them a man angle me and a galang and a act like say me a criminal. Me tell them it's okay if you search me car, but the way the man them a talk to me. Like say me bomber class thief something. Hey, me tell us I'm tired of blood clot Jamaica, you know. Me tired. Me sick of me bomber rascal. Tired of the place here. And the bomber rascal there. Who the texted for people. And who the fuck look for. Who the now blood clot look for them. What the fuck would it mean a red car in a shooting? A red market was in a shooting. No, a red market is not in a shooting. You see me car and you stop me car and a pipe gun in my car. And you come tell me about us. You go carry me to the station. Go let me up in decent language. Why you pipe gun in my car for? Why you pipe gun in my car for? Why you pipe? You see gunman in here. You see black clock gunman in here. Me the bomber clad thief or kill people. Whatever texted for me for. Whatever texted for me for. Me tired of that fucking place. Me sick and me tired of that place, man. All the other oppress people every day. Every fucking day. Every day, we do the same thing, and people not have no rights. Nobody not have no rights in a Jamaica. Me tired. I'm tired. All the hell me left from outer iron shore and get pulled over in a me own community. Some man shoot up man in a red car, and them act like say me shoot people. Them never say red.
Alright, she was angry, viewers and subscribers. Like you can hear the anger right there. Says, I mean, look, police officers are human beings, you know, just like me and you know. And I understand that you will feel away. I feel upset to know that you're an innocent person and you're being treated like a criminal when you're stopped by the police, no matter where you are in the world. See, a situation like this, I don't know what to really say. You know what I mean? Because police can make mistake and say, hey, the car look like the car. But at the same time, me now feel good for see gun point for me. No matter who you be, whether you want to be police or not. So this situation I really and truly, me don't know what to say about that one of my people, but let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female. In the video, the female said that she's blind and she's asking for help. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know the female, I've never met the female before, so for security reasons, I'm going to say that if you're going to help the female, you will be doing so at your own risk. In my point of view, the female is asking for assistance to buy some things. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Hello everyone, my name is Cassandra and I'm living in northeast Manchester, Tiki district, Colleyville, and I am hereby seeking some assistance with the purchasing of some Solitex to seal my roof. I received this house from Food for the Poor in 2016 and only one room is sealed. So if there is anyone out there is willing and able to assist me, I would gladly appreciate it. I am blind, and as a blind person, it is very difficult to cope with the croaking lizards. The other day, I had an experience whereby my daughter was just in time to stop me from drinking water that the croaking lizard mess in. And you know, on my daughter's bed, you know, every day she spread her beds numerous amounts of croaking lizard. You know, they mess on the bed, and it's a real challenge. So If there is anyone, you know, would like to assist me with the Solitex, I would gladly appreciate it. My number is 433-1357 and my NCB account is 854-135-945. My JN account is 104-65133. And my name is Cassandra with a K, Cassandra Simit. My daughter, can you please show the people the roof that I would like some assistance with? Show them what I am talking about, please and thank you. Show them this is the living area, and daughter, show them around here is your room. So anyone out there is willing to assist me, I would like some assistance. I did reach out, persons reach out on my behalf to my member of parliament for assistance, and I did not hear anything. So please, anyone, help me. God bless you all. Thank you.
Well, my people, yes, so I left it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. And let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.